comes a sociologist.
Yeah, Sadhguruji, Namaskaram. I'm professor at Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Ashwani Kumar. My first query, I'm sharing a query with you, and then a question, in the larger context. Have you experienced God?
Which God are you talking about?
I don't know, I'm asking you. I don't know God. I come from the land of Tukaram, Kabir, and Nanak. So I don't know who is the God. I'm asking you, have you experienced the God?
Let me tell you this much. A lot of people think this is a title, but this is a description. When you call someone a Sadhguru, what it means is that you don't go to him because you want to understand your scripture, because he is not read any. You don't go to him because you want to go to heaven, because he's not been there and he's not interested in going there. Sadhguru literally means one who comes from within. I know this piece of life from its origin to its ultimate, and that's all I know. If it's sounding like a confession, I'm sorry. This is all I know. I know this piece of life in its entirety. This, not even that.
So Sadhguru…
Because I know this, and the nature of creation is such, today there is a scientific theory coming up which is called as constructional theory. What they're trying to prove is how the atom is made, that is how the cosmos is made. How a single cell is made, that is how every life is made. How an amoeba is made, that's how you are made. Just the complexity and sophistication is multiplying, that's all. This is something we have said it forever in the yogic sciences. Anda Pindanda are same. The minutest minuscule of creation and the ultimate creation are same in fundamental design. Only complexity and sophistication is multiplying. So, if you know this, people think you know everything. That is their problem. I don't know everything. I don't know any heaven or hell. I know this piece of life entirely. Fortunately, because you're also piece of life and you're also just made like me, if I talk about myself, you think I'm talking about you. If I talk about myself, you think I'm talking about the cosmos. If I talk about myself, people think I'm talking about God. Because these are all their interpretations. I'm only talking about myself because that's the only thing I know.